The Federation of Western India Cine Employees has written a letter to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Uddhav Thackeray, seeking permission to resume work partially. The letter has been signed by the officials of FWICE, which has almost 5 lakh members and is the mother body to 32 different specialization organizations. And they are asking the Chief Minister of Maharashtra to at least allow the post-production work to happen with minimum staff so that at least the films can release post the lockdown ends. The COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown that followed brought all films to a standstill. और थिएटर्स बंद होने की वजह से कई फिल्मों के रिलीज डेट्स भी पोस्टपोन हो गए हैं. In fact, some films have decided to directly release on OTT platforms now, causing a lot of stress and tension between filmmakers and theatre operators. But with the virus not expected to completely go away in the next 1 or even 2 months, the Federation of Western India Cine Employees has written to the Maharashtra Chief Minister, Shri Uddhav Thackeray, sharing their concerns and requesting him to allow the Mumbai film industry to resume partial work. The representatives of the FWICE have requested the Chief Minister that at least post-production work be permitted, क्योंकि ये काम minimum workforce के साथ हो सकता है and can be carried out even while following the existing safety norms. The letter says, if permissions are given to carry out such post-production activities, which can be done in closed studios with a minimum workforce, it would be a great relief. They, yani producers, shall be ready to release their projects immediately after the lockdown is lifted. Lockdown के चलते producers have suffered huge losses with sets needing to be demolished or paying rent for outdoor sets where shooting is not allowed currently. There is a huge pipeline of films awaiting release and an equal number waiting for completion in post-production and VFX departments. Assuring the CM that all safety protocols will be followed, the representatives added that being able to complete films will ensure that these films can be released as soon as theatres open, and recovery of costs for producers who have to in turn pay their crew and technicians. The FWICE's chief advisor Ashok Pandit, who is one of the signatories of the letter, added, the film industry, like the rest of the economy, is reeling under an unprecedented economic crisis. We need to get back to work slowly because we can't wait for the virus to go away. I don't think it's going away anytime in the near future. We have to work our way around it. No response has been received as of now, but hopefully with a set of safety measures in place, films can hopefully be completed soon and eventually released in theatres.